Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the browser's history view so you can inspect recent activity. With the browser active, press Ctrl+H on Windows or CMD+Y on Mac to open history quickly. If you prefer menus, click the three-dot or hamburger icon, then choose History. Once done, the panel or tab will list visited pages. Make sure you're looking at the current profile if you have multiple accounts. This gives you immediate access to entries ordered by date and time. Next, narrow the list so you find the exact pages you need. Type a URL fragment, site name, or keyword into the history search box. Results update instantly. Use built-in filters like today, last 7 days, or set a custom date range to limit noise. Once you see entries, right-click or use the menu next to an item to reopen it in a new tab, copy the link, or delete it. Make sure your search matches spelling and domain parts for accurate matches. Finally, manage what stays and what goes. Select entries to remove or choose clear browsing data to erase a time range or everything. If you use account sync, remember history may appear from other devices. Disable sync if you want isolation. If expected entries are missing, check you're in the correct browser profile, ensure sync is active, and confirm you weren't using private or incognito mode. As a troubleshooting tip, restart the browser and repeat the search after verifying profile and sync settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.